Hello, I'm DeathX, and today we're going to be doing Bowman. But this time, instead of fighting a computer, we're going to be going against pop-up ads. No, today we're going to be going against birds. Or, well, we're going to be hunting them at least. Or trying to. I'm not going to be doing this. This is the last video I'm going to be doing on this. I'm gonna cycle through multiple mobile games. Eventually, I'm going to head back to doing Roblox videos. Now that I don't have to hold the phone in front of my computer. Of course, what I can do on Roblox is limited to what I can do on a phone. But overall, I'm sure this will be better. I'm not sure what game I'll be doing next. Leave a comment if you want to see anything in particular. Ow. Ooh, two birds, one arrow. I'm thinking about doing maybe Crossy Road next. I know, it's kind of old news, but whatever. I guess I'll have to just get in there and see. I'm not sure if this is unlimited or it has an end. I remember playing it. I think it has a timer limit. I'm not sure. Come on, come on. Alright. Putting that long neck. No more poetry for you, mother goose. That joke should have been better than it was. Okay. I know this game's probably not that fun to watch. Shit, I'm getting bored playing it. Really, I just did this game as a test. And I need to make up for lost time. Okay, now I'm getting good at it. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna leave it here. This has been DeathX, and goodbye.